Hello everybody, Step Up Lives is back with another informative video. Covishield का second dose का duration interval has been changed to 12 to 16 weeks from now onwards. इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि ये चेंज क्यों लाया गया, साथ में ये बूस्टर डोज क्या होते हैं, इसका क्या फ़ायदा होता है, साथ में क्या कोवैक्सिन के लिए कोई चेंज है या नहीं. Also, is India the only country which has made this change or other countries having a different interval? सारी चीज़ें हम इस वीडियो में जानेंगे so that you are completely aware about how Covishield's booster dose interval has been changed and what are the reasons behind it. If you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe, click the bell icon and like this video. If you find anything that you found new or you have a better point, please put that in the comment section. Let's get started. First things first, booster doses have been very popular for the COVID-19 vaccines all over the world. Moderna, Pfizer, Covaxin, Covishield, all of them have a two-dose phenomenon. At this point of time, Sputnik 5 Light is the only vaccine that is being contemplated as the single-dose vaccine. The reason this gap between doses has been increased is because of the scientific research as well as the data coming over the period of time from Covishield from UK as well as other countries. Predominantly what has happened is that the gap between doses when increased up to 12 weeks has noticed an increase in efficacy above 80% for Covishield as a vaccine. This has been accepted by the government of India and it has been given as a recommendation to all the states that the second dose shall be done only after 12 weeks up to 16 weeks. When we talk about Covaxin, really the dosage interval between first and second is still kept as 4 weeks after the first dose up to 6 weeks. Please note the change and please plan your vaccinations accordingly. Let's try to understand what do these booster dose do. A booster dose is a wake-up call to the immune system. When you have done the first vaccination, the body has developed some antibodies as well as memory cells to create an army against coronavirus, and it is tuned now. But it's very important that we actually retest and alarm it again after a small period, because these T cells and antibodies do not remain in the body for a long time. That is the primary reason that booster doses are necessary. Now coming to the other aspects of having a larger interval, for a country like India where vaccination volumes are required are much higher, having a gap between two doses also reduces the pressure on the vaccine management in order to give single dose at least to a lot of people. So people will be a little more relaxed before they go for the second dose and the situation will get under control. Another important aspect of whether India is the only country wherein these doses have been at a larger duration. UK has 12 weeks, Spain has 16 weeks, Canada has 16 weeks, and a lot of European nations have a larger duration for Covishield. So it's very important that you please take a note of this change. Be safe, stay home. Even if you're vaccinated with one dose, please have your mask as well as sanitization on. One big question is still remaining, and a lot of people are asking this question, that now people who had been vaccinated at the duration of 28 days and 42 days for Covishield previously, do they have a lower immunity? This question is something that time will only tell, and we all have to be hopeful and stay away from the corona. Thank you so much and bye bye.